the morning light, I see your grace. Your love surrounds me in this sacred place. With every heartbeat, I feel your touch. Lord Jesus, I love you so much. When the world feels heavy and I lose my way, you lift me up and guide me every day. Your mercy flows like a river wide. In your arms I find my peace inside. I'll never, your Jesus, give out of my heart. In your presence I'll never be apart. You are my strength, my joy, my song. In your love, I love you, Lord Jesus, with all of my heart. In your presence I'll never be apart. You are my strength, my joy, my song. In your love, I belong. In the darkest night, you are my guide. Your light shines through, no need to hide. Your word is a lamp unto my feet. In your love I find my victory sweet. When the storms are raging and I feel afraid, you calm the waters and the winds are swayed. Your faithfulness, it never ends. In your love I find my closest friend. I love you, Lord Jesus, with all of my heart. In your presence I'll never be apart. You are my strength, my joy, my song. In your love, I'm your love, I belong. You took my sins and nailed them to the cross. Your sacrifice, the greatest love we've lost. But in your resurrection I find my hope.